Imagine this. You just won a MrBeast challenge and suddenly $1 million is yours. You're celebrating, you're screaming, you're already imagining the Lamborghini you're going to buy. But wait, winning the money is easy. Keeping it is the hard part. First things first, don't immediately spend it. When you suddenly receive a huge amount of money, your brain can convince you that you have way more money than you actually do. So don't rush to buy a mansion, a Lamborghini, or anything else you've been dreaming about. Give yourself time to think. Next, protect the money. Put it somewhere safe while you figure out what you're going to do with it. You don't need to become a millionaire overnight. You already are one. Your goal now is simple. Don't turn $1 million into $100,000. Next, look at your debt, credit cards, high interest loans, anything charging you ridiculous amounts of interest. Deal with those first, because there's no point trying to build wealth while expensive debt is eating away at your money. After that, build something extremely boring, an emergency fund. Yes, boring, but imagine losing your job, having a major emergency, or suddenly needing thousands of dollars. Instead of panicking, you have money ready. Being wealthy isn't just about having expensive things. It's about having options when life goes wrong. Now comes the exciting part, investing. You can learn about things like stocks, bonds, and diversified funds, but don't invest your money just because some random guy online promised you'll become rich overnight. Learn first. And if you need professional advice, talk to a qualified financial professional, because losing money is easy. Understanding what you're buying is harder. Now let's talk about the biggest trap, lifestyle inflation. You win $1 million, so suddenly you think you need the mansion, then a Lamborghini, then expensive clothes, then luxury vacations every month, and before you know it, your $1 million is disappearing. The more you spend, the more you start believing you need to spend. So don't try to look rich, try to stay rich. But that doesn't mean you can't enjoy the money. You absolutely can. Take a vacation, buy something you've always wanted, help people you care about, enjoy the reward. The trick is balance. So if you ever win $1 million, remember this: protect the money, handle expensive debt, build an emergency fund, invest wisely, and don't make huge decisions immediately, because winning $1 million can change your life. But knowing what to do with it, that's what keeps it yours. And now, Milo has just one question. Where did I put that Lamborghini?